Welcome back to another episode of Uno Reverse Clicker Game. This time we're doing episode 3. We first save as a copy and then name this episode 3. So first, I'm gonna fix this bug. If you open the menu, you can close the menu. This. So first go to the menu clicker like this. We're gonna duplicate this forever loop, or you can just do the script again. But in broadcast, we're gonna change close menu. So we're gonna duplicate this again, and then when I receive close menu, we're gonna duplicate this, take off the forever loop, and put it in here. Okay, so now it works. See? So now, the menu, we're gonna do when I receive close menu, oh, we're gonna hide. So now the menu works. So now, inside the menu, there's no score you can buy, so it won't get any upgrade. So we first want to paint a sprite. Press the rectangle button, or the square one, change it to a white, and then make a rectangle. We're gonna first open this menu. We're gonna make it like smaller until it fits. Maybe a little bit more. There, this should work. And then inside, we're gonna type in 50 score. There. Now we're gonna make it black, and then we're gonna make it go to the center. We're gonna name this 50 score. 50 score. There. Put it here. So our green flag click. Go to this direction. So forever loop. If touching mouse pointer, then or and then we're gonna add one more if. If mouse down and less than score is less than 49. I mean greater than. There. Score is greater than 49. We're gonna make one variable called ticket to like save how much, see how much score, like every time you press it, we're gonna add one. We're gonna change ticket by one. And then here, another green flag click forever. If ticket is bigger than 0, we're gonna, oh yeah, we're gonna do this. Change score by by 1 or maybe 2. Multiply ticket. Okay, and one more thing. We're gonna first hide, and then when I receive show menu. We're gonna do that. Okay, let me try again. Oh, I forgot to show. And then we're gonna just duplicate this, close menu, we're gonna hide. Good. So now it works. And now I need 50 points, or I can tell score. There, I'll buy this. Okay, I'll get a ticket, but it went too fast because we didn't wait. Change score by the multiplier of 2. We have to wait. Wait 1 second. Good. And we're gonna make this for the sprite only. Okay, I think we're gonna set like the score ticket to back to 0. Ah. And now the high score got too much, and I need to go to get 50 score to test that out. We got another bug now, but it's easy to fix. We're gonna do wait until not mouse down. This should work, maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe. It worked. If I buy one more, 4. Cool. But now we need to change the score back to 0, or else it will be 50 all the time. And then here, we're gonna change score by minus 50. So now the 50 score should work. Okay, so now we're gonna buy it and then add points. And we can't buy it again because we don't have enough 50 tickets. I mean 50 score. And we buy it again and then add 4 and get faster and faster. So first I'm gonna set high score back to 0. Okay. Now we're gonna duplicate this. We're gonna name this 120 score. That's what we're doing. We're gonna make one more. Change this into 120 score. There. Now we're gonna put it here. 173.90. Again, we're gonna delete this ticket, and then we're gonna name this ticket. Again, for this part only. And then we're gonna give this back the ticket, the set ticket to 0, and change ticket by 1, and change score by 120. I think the 50 score should wait 1.5 first. And the 120, we're gonna wait maybe 5 or 2 seconds. Okay, so now we play this game. Okay, maybe we're gonna first like hide these the ticket sign. Or I'm just gonna show it just to see that it work, okay? We know the 50 works, so we're gonna buy 50. Wait, you're gonna buy the ticket. Cause we didn't change this. Have to be bigger than 120. I mean 119. Now we do that again. And again. So there's a ticket that works. It will get 2 every time. And we're gonna buy it again. We're gonna change 4. See, it gets faster and faster and faster. Now we're gonna try the 120. Oh, we bought it. Oh. But it changed 120 score. We need to be minus 120. Oh, now we need to do it again. And I'm almost done. Just wait a little bit more. Done. Quiet. I change 5 every second. I mean, 2 seconds. So it will be very easy to get 50 now. See, the score goes up. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Okay. This is the end of our episode 3. Goodbye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, comment the video I like it.